All right, so on the screen, I have this question, and the question is to make arrow the subject of the formula in the equation A equal to pi arrow squared. Make arrow the subject of the formula in the equation A equal to pi arrow squared. All right, so I'm going to put my solution here. So the equation that I was given on the screen is A equal to pi arrow squared. All right, this is the left side of the equation where I have A, and this is the right side of the equation where I have arrow squared. So since I'm to make arrow the subject of the formula and arrow is on the right side of the equation, what I would do is to write this pi arrow squared first. So this will be pi arrow squared equal towards A. All right, pi arrow squared is equal to A. So the next thing I'm going to do now is to divide both sides of the equation by the coefficient of arrow squared, which is pi. So this is divided by pi, divided by what? Pi. So that this pi will cancel out this pi, and that will make arrow squared to stand alone. So arrow squared will be equal to what? A over r. All right. So since I have this, what I'm asked to look for is to make arrow the subject of the formula, not arrow squared. So I'll have to remove this what? This square. So to remove this square, what I would do is to find the square root of both sides. All right, is to look for the square root of both sides. So this will be arrow square square root. All right, A over pi square root. So that this square will cancel out what? The square root. So that will make arrow to stand alone. So arrow will be equal to what? The square root of A over what? Over pi. This is the answer to this question. All right, it's a very simple and a straightforward question. So to understand this mathematics better, the best thing to do is to the solving questions. Just try out questions, all right? Try and solve the questions. That will make him know it better, and that will make him master it.